Hi, my name is Miss Cisco, and I am going to be reading a poem that I wrote. Rebirth. The city is burning. We smile and let the fire lick our skin. We are under the impression that we must do this in order to feel something, anything. The city is burning. Ash weighs down our wings, and we wonder how much longer we can breathe in smoke and breathe out apologies. The city is burning. Buildings crumble around us, but we are too deaf to hear the glass shattering and the grit raining against the pavement. The city has burnt, and some want us to stay subjugated under their thumbs, but we can still stand and shake off the shards that have cut some deeper than others. We can reach out to our brothers and sisters and remind them that after the darkness comes dawn. The city is gone, but we are free now. Come, howl with me at the whimpering moon and drink from the Nile like our ancestors did. Beg with me for the skies to darken and wash away the old world. Thank you.